Tired of choosing between crazy gas prices and pure EV battery anxiety? This is the Changan Nivo Q05ID, a premium plug-in hybrid that gives you the absolute best of both worlds.
Under the hood is a 1.5-liter engine paired with a powerful electric motor, pumping out 212 horsepower and a 330 Nm of torque. On pure electric mode, you can get up to 150 kilometers of quiet city driving. But the full tank and the full charge, your combined range is shoot ups to over 1,250 kilometers.
Why would you buy the Changan Nivo Q05ID? It adds premium tech like a 540-degree panoramic camera, adaptive cruise control, and lane departure warning. Plus, look at this clean multi-layered dashboard layout. It feels like a luxury cockpit.
You get generous legroom, premium leather, a panoramic sunroof, and a solid 171 mm of ground clearance. And also has a power tailgate with a 3-eye sensor.
At around 1.3 million pesos, it's one of the most competitive high-tech plug-in hybrid on the market right now. So is this your daily next drive? Let me know below the comment section.
Never gave up, motherfucker. I'ma drink it till I'm